Today I'm riding at Blue Knob State Park, and I'm gonna hit the new trail that was finished, I believe, either this year or last year. But this is actually the second time I'm hitting it. I hit it last week for the first time. It's pretty fun. Now, I'm not sure what the exact name of the trail is because it's not marked, but they closed Roller Coaster down. So I'm wondering if the new trail is going to be called Roller Coaster in place of the old one. So the trail has a lot of jumps and berms, and it flows pretty well. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys. Alright, we're coming up on the new trail here, and see, the post has the number 9 on it. It looks new, but yeah, just go down the same way you would go down to Roller Coaster, and it just cuts off here. So let's get into it. All right, little step down to start it off. Cruising down the same way you would as you would go to Roller Coaster. Nice flow, don't have to pedal. So I'll just stop here real quick. So that was how I used to get on a roller coaster, but as you can see, it is now blocked off. So I'm wondering, like I said earlier, if they're gonna call this Roller Coaster. So if you know what the actual trail name is, leave a comment down below. Alright. Little double. Another double coming up. Side hit. Oh yeah, this flows nice. Another little double coming up. Bigger hit. Pretty big jump for not having much of a landing, but nice berms. By a little rock drop. Oh yeah, little hit. There's all kinds of little features on this new trail. A rock booter back there. Just a little hop to flat. Nice little overlook here too. So after that little overlook there, going, I believe, yep, little double, another one. All right, these are 2 fun little doubles. Little rock section here. Two decent size ones coming up here. Oh yeah. Got a little air off that. Man, there's just features all over this trail. I think that's it. Yep. That was the old roller coaster there, where you would end up. So, yeah, that was a fun one. So, I'm gonna ride clickety-clack out to Chapel's Field, and then I'm going to take Rockin' Ridge number 4 to the bottom. So another fun way you could have gone is after the new trail, you make an immediate left, and that is Rockin' Ridge number 1. And it has some flow to it as well. So just another option if you're looking to link some trails up. So out of the 4 Rockin' Ridges, number 4 is probably my favorite because it has a lot of tech on it. Some downhill big rocks, so that's the kind of stuff I like to hit. If you come here in the spring, right after a big rain, this whole valley here just has a massive water flow. It's worth checking out. Probably April-ish, right when the snow's melting and we get some rain. So I'm just making my way out to Chapel's Field here, and gonna take this trail down to Rockin' Ridge number 4. So I had my wife drop me off at the top, and I'm gonna meet her and my daughter down bottom, which they are swimming at the Blue Knob pool. And yes, Blue Knob doesn't have a pool if you didn't know, and it is free. I believe it's open 7 days a week till 7 o'clock, so good excuse to get out and ride while your wife and kid go swimming. All right, last downhill till we get to Rockin' Ridge number 4. All right, we're here, Rockin' Ridge number 4. All right, so first little section of Rockin' Ridge number 4 is a little stair section. Definitely recommend not hitting this trail if it's wet, because it does get pretty dangerous. Section's pretty tough too, because it's like an old creek bed. It's fun though. All right, well, that's pretty much it for the techie section. Actually, I think that was all of Rockin' Ridge number 4. And then you hop on to Rockin' Ridge number 2, I believe this is. Never understood why there's 4 rocking ridges, but that's what it is. All right. All right, everyone, that's going to be it for today. And if you stuck with me this long, I hope you enjoyed the video. We really appreciate all the support. So give us a subscribe, like, and comment, especially if you know the name to that new trail. See you on the next one.